How to fix messages fail to load error on Discord. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open up your settings. Now here you can go to update and security. Then find the troubleshoot option over here and click on it. Then click on additional troubleshooters option. Now find internet connection and click on run the troubleshooter. Then you can select the issue that you're facing, and after this, Troubleshooter is going to detect if there is any issue with the internet connection, and then it is going to fix the problem with connecting to the internet or websites. After this is done, step number 2 is go to your search bar and type run, then press enter. Now over here you want to type %sign app data %sign / discord and press enter. After this box is going to open up. Now over here, you want to click on GPU cache. So double click on this option and you're going to find some files over here. Next thing you want to do is select all of these files and then delete these files. So right click on it and then click on delete to do that. Once you have deleted the files, restart your PC and this issue should get fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.